Hi, this course is coming to give value to life, which is beyond the problem of health, pain, agony that we experience in this world. Many people have theories how to succeed in life, like the 12 rules of Jordan Peterson, or the system that is being called NLP. Most of them are rules of this world according to the perception of people of this world. What I've seen in many years that I'm teaching spirituality, by the spirituality of the wisdom of Kabbalah, that many people love spirituality, the spiritual perception of life. In reality, a person can be spiritual, to study spirituality from the big masters, to know about the chakras, to do meditations, to receive messages. I want to break the perception about spirituality. To study spirituality and to enter to phone website, it's not spirituality. To study spirituality and to do incense is not spirituality. To study spirituality and to steal and to rob is not spirituality. And to speak evil on the other person while studying spirituality, it's not spirituality. I'm not saying, God forbid, not to study spirituality. I'm teaching it all the time. I'm not saying not to study the practical rules of different systems that we have in life, that help us in life. I'm just saying to listen to the guidance that the Creator gave to mankind. To learn from the spirituality, which not the invention of the imagination of people in this century. The paradox of this world that in order to connect to the good, we need to know what is bad and where it came from, how chaos started in this world. This we are going to answer in the next lesson.